I've not done filleting before, but this experience gave me an edge in filleting fish. About 3 weeks ago, one of my classmates reached out to me that he needs my help with for a PhD student in filleting fish. And I realized that one of the ways a student can actually add value to him or her service by volunteering. And through that opportunity, I was able to learn the little part of filleting, which actually give me an edge. Because if you ask me today now that do I have any experience, I will say yes. And I want you to watch through the video of today, how everything went, the filleting part, the lesson part, and everything. And do it, like this video, comment and subscribe. Bye. This was when we were picking out the fish from the plastic pond. No, the fish, they are big. Some of them weigh more than 1 kg, while some weigh below 1 kg. This after we cut the head and from the body. But one of the difficult parts we had during this thing is that the PhD student said we should not stun the fish, because she did not want the salt content to affect the body of the fish. Using salt would have helped us to remove the slime and make it much easier after thorough washing, you can see. And we also follow let me say, we avoid it's very hygienic actually, and we follow precision. We put on hand glove, put on some hair covering and nose masks. The woman, I can't say she was strict, but she was just following procedure. And like I said, I never knew how to do filleting before, but just through the I was taught the process, and just that once I was explained to, and I got it. It's not actually easy, because it's more than 100 kg. I mean 100 kg of fish. That was the quantity of kilogram of fish we filleted. And after we did that, for us to remove the skin of the fish, we have to put hot water on it, and we're removing it small. You can see actually it's still difficult, but we're doing it, removing the back. And after everything, we're not able to finish the work that day, and we put some in the freezer to cool it so that it not get spoiled. And this after everything, we weigh the fillet part of it, the meat part of the fish. And after everything, we mix it with a blender with some ingredients like garlic, Mary olive, and some other thing. And the benefit of this, or let me say the importance of this filleting, is that after the blending and the whole thing, you can be eating this thing in any way, and people will not detect that you're actually eating a fish, compared to like the one you buy in the market or it's very visible that they're eating this exact fish. But with this and the help of this filleting, and with this project she's crying out, I think the major purpose of doing this, or let me say, one of the importance of doing this thing is that it's hygienic, and you can actually eat fish without people knowing that this is what you're eating. Thank you for watching this far, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.